When visualizing an application, scenarios and pages tell only half the story. Communicating the flow of the application from one page to the next is much more effective when the reviewer sees that navigation happening on the screen. This video will show you how to add real, functioning navigation to your simulations in iRise. We'll create navigation between 3 pages in our project. Our welcome page is currently blank. Let's add a link from this page to our Create Profile page. To keep things simple for this example, we'll add a single line of text using a standard text widget and use the word register as the hyperlink. First, we need to add a link widget to the canvas, which we could do in a number of different ways. In this case, we'll drag the Create Profile page from the directory to the canvas. Now we need to create the interaction that will trigger the navigation. First, we'll highlight the word register in our text widget. Then we'll drag the highlighted word and release it on the link widget. This has 2 results. One is the word register is now a hyperlink. In iRise, we call this the navigation source. The second result is a blue navigation line connecting the source to the link widget. This line is labeled with the event trigger, in this case onClick. Different triggers can be used for different types of interactions. The link widget is the destination. A link is just one type of destination in iRise. You can also navigate to page actions and data operations. We cover these in other videos. Let's test the navigation. Clicking the hyperlink navigates to the Create Profile page as intended. Now let's add some navigation to the Create Profile page. We've already built out the interface for our Create Profile page. We'll add 3 links to this page. One of the connect buttons will launch an external website in a pop-up window. An invisible hotspot over the acceptance of terms section will launch an embedded file. And the Submit button will navigate through a page action to the registration confirmation page. First, the Connect button. This time, let's drag a link widget from the widget toolbar to the canvas, which opens the Set Destination dialog. Here we can specify the link type and then the link settings. In this case, we'll navigate to an external website, which requires that we enter the site URL. Since we want the site to open in a pop-up window, we'll make the appropriate selection and then configure the pop-up window settings. Now we can connect the source to the Canvas widget. The acceptance of terms section is actually an image. While this prevents us from selecting specific text to use as a hyperlink, what we can do is add an invisible hotspot over the image and link from that. First, we'll draw a section widget over the text we want to use as our source. Now we can right-click the section and choose Add Event, Link, which opens the Set Destination dialog. This time we'll configure our link to launch an embedded PDF file that we've prepared ahead of time. Note that using the right-click method of adding the link saved us the trouble of connecting the source to the destination. From the Submit button, we'll navigate through a Submit form action to the registration confirmation page. Although we haven't set up the page to capture data, we can prepare for it by building the proper navigation. First, we'll right-click the Submit button and choose Add Event, Action, and then choose the correct action type. Again, the navigation line is created for us. Now we can link directly from the Submit form action to the registration confirmation page. Let's test our new links in the reader. As expected, the Connect button launches the external website in a pop-up window. Our hotspot also works. Finally, the Submit button navigates through the Submit form action to its final destination. Although we didn't cover every link type in this video, you should have a good understanding of the basic concept of navigation in iRise. Thanks for watching.